according to His word, in the blessed old time way. He will fill your heart today to overflowing, as the Lord commanded you. Bring your vessels, not a few. He will fill your heart today to overflowing, with the Holy Ghost and the power.
Bring your empty earthen vessels, clean through Jesus' precious blood. Come ye needy, one and all, and in
Human consecration, wait before the throne of God, till the Holy Ghost shall fall. He will fill your heart today to overflowing, as the Lord commanded you. Bring your vessels, not a few. He will fill your heart today to overflowing, with the Holy Ghost and power. The cruse of oil unfailing is His grace forevermore, and His love unchanging still. And according to His promise, with the Holy Ghost and power, He will every vessel fill. He will fill your heart today to overflowing, as the Lord commanded you. Bring your vessels, not a few. He will fill your heart today to overflowing,